Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So today's date is 24th of May 2018, and I'm seeing here a few IT stocks today. Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys. These are the stocks looking some good breakouts, some momentum, and some nice buying opportunities for the day. And these three stocks will be in play for the. I hopefully these three stocks will be in play for the next week as well. So let's start with the Tech Mahindra here. Now in Tech Mahindra, if you see this is going in a strong non-volatile, then a bit volatile over here, and then again getting non-volatile and then volatile momentum here. So a mixed bag of volatility in the overall picture. For the current market right now, this is the all-time high we have. Is that yes? We are around the all-time high here, right? So now we are approaching towards the all-time high. And if I'm zooming in the current market, here we had some good layer of resistances around here. And after a breakout move above the layer, price came back down in and took support from the same layer of resistance or the key level we had priorly. And then from there, the move is shooting towards upside. And the next layer of resistance you can see is coming up right here. So on its way up from the prior resistance and current support, if we go back to 60-minute time frame, we got a buying opportunity today. So this is the move. This is the turnaround, and on the turnaround you can see the reversal bar formations over here. So which was one of the sign that okay, you can go ahead with an entry over there. If you put the key levels and the overall price action context properly, then this could be a buying sign for you. Anyhow, for the current market, we see the current key level lying over here, these areas, right? And then there was a breakout move from there, and we got multiple buying opportunities over this layer as well here. All right, so this layer will be in focus for the next few days as well, till the time we are not breaking down below this or we are not hitting this target area here. So the plan is in case you get a pullback down again here, back again here, then we can go ahead with the buy entry signals from here for the target over there, right, on the resistance target here. Now, in case we don't pull back down here, then do you have any kind of breakout entry opportunities to carry on the move ahead from here? For that, we need to go ahead with the 15-minute time frames. In the 15-minute time frame, so what I can see is here we have this resistance layer 1 and a bit of resistance layer 2 over here. So this is a kind of, in case we are pushing back up from here, this will be the higher, this will be our first low, then higher low, even though this should not be considered as a much should not be considered as a good higher low, because the fall is almost around 80 to 90% of the previous move. Then we are not counting this move as a good higher low as such. But in case we are getting a pattern like there's this and this, which will be a breakout move above this level of resistance. So in that case, you can look for some breakout trade, breakout strategy we follow to catch up some breakout momentums here. All right, so that's the plan. Either we are going above this layer of breakout with a breakout strategy momentum, whatever breakout strategy you follow in your trading, then you can go ahead. You can start capturing those trades above this layer of 716 here. Else you can wait for the pullback move for the market to come down back in here in this area, since we see the price is showing good amount of support and price is not really wasting its time over this area. Price comes back down here, zoop, again comes back down here, zoop. All right, so we have good layer of support as well here. So on a pullback, you go ahead with your buy entry or pullback buy entry signal, whatever signal you follow, whatever buy entry strategy you have on a pullback, or else you can go ahead with a breakout sell, breakout buy trade above this layer of resistance. So that's the idea in the Tech Mahindra. And let's see in TCS. TCS is also on the lifetime high. Look at the channel over here. This there was a false break over here, but after the false breakout, price came back inside the overall channel, but didn't fall really, and this build up was carried forward from here. Overall, the pattern is good enough to go ahead, but since we had a major false break, not a major as such, but since we had a false break over here, so we can't just buy a breakout kind of thing here. We need to see the things more clearly over here. So hopefully I'll be going for a breakout pullback kind of formations, just to avoid the noise on this resistance in terms of these false breaks over here. Then if I just check the daily time frame here, this looks very much attractive. So this is the daily chart, and in the daily chart you see the stock was moving in quite volatility, but here somehow this is going non-volatile now, which is a good sign for the buyers. So this is the overall range here we have. So let's see, we are able to go above this layer or no. So far today we have already closed above the layer of the zone here. So we need to confirm a few more things over here. So I am very much interested to go ahead with this channel inside the overall flattish channel. We have a bullish upward channel in it. So let's see if we can merge with this bullish channel using the key levels and everything. All right. Then Infosys, this is Infosys chart, and the same thing is happening here. Infosys around, we had a false break today. We had a false break, and the breakout didn't took place really over here. The most important area is the current layer, where the price is giving us some kind of key layer over here. So we need to check out how this thing is working out. The problem here is that we had a broader range over here. I mean, the range is quite broader here to capture the momentum with a breakout kind of scenario. So preferably out of this picture, I want to see something good happening around. I mean, I'll be keeping this layer of resistance on my focus, this layer of resistance on my focus, and I want to see something happening around this layer as a breakout, followed by the current price action. Instead of referring the overall price action context over here. The weekly time frame looks much clearer. So in the weekly time frame, this is all-time high. We are near to it, and overall for a quite a long time actually, 2018, almost from I think from February or March onwards, for last 2 to 3 months we have been just moving in a flattish condition here. So in case you get a breakout over here, so I don't feel like we are going to stop on this layer of resistance. If this is a successful breakout, then in this stock this is gonna be big. This is gonna be big because this has been happening for quite a long time. So this is a big accumulation process. It's going through basically. So if you get a successful breakout, and in that case you're going big from here, a fresh rally. All right, so that's it from today from my desk here. I'll capture you guys tomorrow again with some more new updates. Thank you. Or in case you are not in the channel, you can just come in. We have a Telegram channel here. All right, so the link is already given in the description box. So you can check it out over there, and you can join in our Telegram live channel here. Thank you.